This is a screencast-o-matic to share with you the feature of discussion board within Blackboard. My screen is going to look a little bit different than yours because I do not have some of the student features. One of them being that below the buttons on the left-hand side of your Blackboard shell, you should see a discussion group designation button, which will be either Teach in Sharing 1, Teach in Sharing 2, all the way through Teach in Sharing 6. You have been randomly assigned to one of 6 groups in order to submit your Teach in 1 and Teach in 2 videos, as well as having some peer comments made and a reply back to you so that you can use them in your reflection. So I'm going to change the screen and where your view is now to my discussion board feature. After you get into your discussion board by just clicking on that button, you are going to see a screen that looks like this. Now within this screen, there is the Teach in Sharing title over here for the name of the forum. There is also a tutorial here on how to embed your YouTube or your screencast-o-matic, which you should upload to YouTube, into Blackboard so that I can view your recording as well as your classmates. So if you click on this,
is a brief tutorial
you will be able to see a training on how to embed your video into Blackboard. After you have viewed this tutorial, you can click on Teach in Sharing, which I'm going to click on Teach in Sharing 1, but you may have been assigned to, like I said, any number of groups 1 through 6. And you are going to create a thread. And this is where you are going to embed your video for me. You click on Create a Thread, you type in the subject, which may be Victor's Teach in number 1 video. And then you will follow the directions for embedding the video, which after you have copied the embed code off of YouTube on your video, and the tutorial will show you where to find that, then you will click on this toggle feature right here, which will embed. So you will click here, you will have your cursor in the box, you will click on the embed, and then you will just paste that embedding code right in there with Control V. Then you should just be able to hit submit, and your title should show right here with your name on it to designate that that is your teach-in video. Then when you or your classmates want to watch one of these videos, you just click on this and go in and you will be able to watch the video. And since I do not have a video in there right now, it will not show. But then you can go down, have to go back to discussion board, into your teach-in sharing. Then after you've watched your friend's video, your peer's video, you're going to click on Create a Thread again, and you're going to title it Comments on Victor's Video. And down here, you can type in some comments, and I have a sample set of comments right here under Rachel's Teach-In sample comments that you can read. And if you scroll down, it says down here, "Nice job, Rachel. I liked how you presented 2-digit addition using pennies and dimes. You had a nice closure activity and good 3-point assessment. You may want to use a little more eye contact, but I thought you did a nice job." This is just an example for you to kind of follow. In teaching, we like to call it the Oreo cookie method, where we sandwich our constructive criticism in between 2 positive comments. So I would like for you to approach your comments to your peers in that manner. You should have 4 to 5 peers in your discussion board group that you need to reply to, and I would like you to reply to all of them with just a short comment, 2, 3, or 4 sentences maximum. And then you in turn will have that many comments that you can review, reflect upon, and use as part of your Teach in 1 reflection. So this again is a tutorial to help you understand how to get into discussion board within Blackboard and submit your video by embedding your YouTube. And you can use Screencast-O-Matic to create your video, or you can just go through YouTube to create your video, whatever method you would prefer.